Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 9th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I am definitely still a big believer that this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think it is very likely to go up and make an expanding flat wave C, or possibly a running flat wave C, which would actually bring it down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. So either way, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as an expanding flat wave 2. I still think that would make this right here a wave 1. This to me looks like an ABC of 2, and I still think it is likely that it will go up and make a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, now on the daily, it's starting to make you wonder about that wave 3 analysis because it is kind of a three-way pattern up. It has made a lower high, it has made a lower high. There is definitely always a chance it just keeps on trending down. I always try to look at both scenarios, the bullish and the bearish version, and I definitely do see that this could just keep on going back down. But for now, I am definitely still looking at this as a crescent to the move up, and I would still be trying to see if I could identify the end of a crescent and the continuation of the uptrend on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame is where I still got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up. To me, this whole thing still looks very corrective. I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a down, an impulsive down, 3 waves up. I still think it looks like an ABC crescent, so I would definitely still be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, an impulsive move up, a breaker structure for an entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If you do not see this picture right here, which is the breaker structure to the upside, and a nice impulsive move to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then you should actually continue to look for shorts, because like I said, there's definitely a bearish scenario that would possibly have this continuing to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it still looks to me like an ABC. Still looks like impulsive down. Still looks like 3 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So if we do get that fib bounce, if we do get that big engulfing break of structure to the upside, then I would definitely still take that as a long, and I would definitely still be looking to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, like I said, I'm always trying to look at the bearish and the bullish version, and this definitely could be a wave C on the daily, and if that is a wave C on the daily, then maybe we'll get a fib bounce, but it will make a lower high, and just keep on trending down, which is why I would be looking for shorts on anything on the 1 hour time frame and below. If it does make that big impulsive move up with the big breaker start to add a Fibonacci level, then I would just simply stop looking for shorts, and I would just start looking for longs again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I set with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.